Hi, good morning. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss today's weekly contest second problem. Problem is that find the nth value after k second. So, what is statement that you are given two integers n and k. Initially, you start with an array A of n integers where array I is equal to 1 for all 0 to n minus 1. So, each element initially are 1. Okay. After each second, you simultaneously update each element to be the sum of all of its preceding elements plus the element itself. For example, after 1 second, A0 remains the same because there is no element before it, and the A1 will become A0 plus A1, A2 will become A0 plus A1 plus A2, and so on. Return the value of A of n minus 1 index after k second. Since the answer may be very large, return it modulo of 10 to the 9 plus 7. Okay, so we will be initially given an array of size n, where all of its elements are 1, and we will given k. So I have to tell that after k seconds, what is the value at the index n minus 1. So let's take the example. N is equal to 4 and k is equal to 5. Okay, so initially there will be 4 element in the array. Okay, this is a 0 second. So after 1 second, what will happen? This will be remain same. This will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 3, and 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. This is after 1. After 2, at the second, uh, 1 will be remain same. There will be no element before it. So for the second index, it will be like 2 plus 1 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, then 6 plus 4 is 10. Got it? At the third second, this will remain same. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. At the second 4, it will be remain same. K is 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 5 plus 10 is 15, 15 plus 35. At the second k, it will remain 1, 5 plus 1 6, 21, 21 is 21 plus 35 is equal to 3 to 5 and 56. So I have to return the what is the value after finally k is equal to 5. What is the value stored in n minus 1? This is 56. That's the answer is 56. Got it? So in brute force approach, what can I do? Actually, I will first create a array of size n where each element is 1. Then after for there will be a while loop. While like I have to traverse while k greater than equals to 0, like k times I have to did the operation. What operation I have to do? Like first of all, it will remain same case at index 0. It will be always same because there will be no element before it. So there will be always 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Got it? Now for the index I is equal to 1, what will happen? I will then like current array 1 will be array of 0 plus array of 1, right? For array of 2, what is going to happen? Array of 2 will be array of 2, it will be itself plus array of 2 minus 1 means 1. But in this actually I will run this till k times. Let's go to the code. So I have created a array nums of size n where each element is 1. Got it? Now I'm traversing like I will run the while loop k times, and what I am doing inside this while loop, like I am actually traversing the array and doing the prefix sum. How I am doing, like initially 0 is always be 1, that I do not have to do anything. For I is equal to 1, what I have to do, I have to do that nums of I will be nums of I plus nums of I minus 1. Got it? Like suppose array is suppose 1 2 3 4. Now I am doing the prefix sum. What will happen? Like actually it is prefix sum. Like actually they are trying to see what will be the answer according to their statement. This will be initially 1. This will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Got it? But suppose if I do 1 is equal to 1, okay, but 2 plus 1 I got 2 plus 1 I got 3. Got it? 3 plus 3 I got 6. 6 plus 4 I got 10. Got it? Like previous sum plus current value. Actually, it will give the the prefix sum, right? It actually what is storing? It's storing array of 0 plus array of 1 plus array of 2. This is actually stored in suppose dp of 0 1 2 2, and if I again do the same thing, dp of 2 plus array of 3, and is if I store in the dp of 3, what will actually storing the prefix sum? This is actually equivalent to this array of 0 plus array of 1 plus array of 2 plus I am adding array 3. So actually it is 0 to 3. Got it? That's why I'm traversing, is just traversing the array and doing the prefix sum nums of I plus previously I have stored in the nums of I minus 1, and also doing the modulo operation because they have mentioned that their answer may be large, so I have to do the modulo value. That's a 10 to the 7, 10 to 9 plus 7. Okay, and each time after each operation I am decreasing the k times. Actually I have to do the operation, and at the end return the nums of n minus 1. So what the time loss out of this, like this while loop is going to running for k times, and for this I am traversing for loop n times, so times will be kn. Got it, right? Also got the logic. Thank you.